So, is Skrill worth it? You are probably thinking of using Skrill to send money, receive money, and keep your money on this digital wallet. Is it a good idea, or maybe you just need to look elsewhere? Skrill is a good platform. Let's talk about the good stuff. It's a good platform and it works across the world, and you're able to send money to people in many countries and buy stuff online, deposit brokers if you're trading, and the sort. So you can actually use Skrill in many situations, and it's regulated in the UK and follows strict rules. Basically, it's safe and legal, and they offer fast transfers so that in case you just want to move money abroad. And also they also support the buying and selling of cryptos and the sort. Here's what people do complain about around using Skrill: account freezes. People say Skrill sometimes locks their accounts without warning, because Skrill tends to constantly want you to update your details so that they make sure that you are still the right person who opened the account, who is using the account. And also some people say the support is slow and unhelpful. People don't like the support. People also complain about high fees. They say the sending money and converting currencies can cost a lot on Skrill. That's something that you want to think about. And verification, sometimes people struggle to verify their Skrill wallets, and which means that they get restricted on their accounts and they can't even withdraw their money. So if you are in some countries, there's also an issue where some banks don't work well with a Skrill. So all those issues are something that you want to consider before deciding if Skrill is worth it for your particular situation. But Skrill is very useful in many situations. You can use it across the world, internationally, to deposit, to buy stuff online, to send people money, and the sort. If you want smooth, fast service, maybe they might not be the right person for you, the right platform for you. So yeah, just bear that in mind. But overall, they are a very good platform when it comes to moving money, paying people online, depositing online, and keeping your money and buying crypto and the sort.